All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the research question assignment. Assignment instructions are available in Canvas. What I would like you to do for this assignment is provide me with your research question and some background information on your topic. Keep in mind that eventually you'll be asked to come up with scholarly journal articles and books on your research question, so you're going to want to pick a question that is scholarly in nature. For part one of this assignment, I just want you to provide me with your research question. The second part of this assignment will ask you to conduct some background research on your topic. What I'd like you to do is find two different background research articles. The first will be a source that you find from the ZSR homepage. I made a quick video for that that's linked here in these instructions for how to find reference sources on the ZSR homepage. Keep in mind that you might not find an encyclopedia article that's on your exact question, just find one that's close enough. I would also encourage you to find an article that's fairly long, so try to skip the encyclopedia articles that are only 1 or 2 paragraphs. The second reference source that I want you to find is just the Wikipedia article that most closely represents your research question. Remember, Wikipedia is actually a really great resource to use for finding background information. Once you've read those 2 reference articles on your research question, I'd like you to write for me a 2 to 3 paragraph introduction to your research question. I've listed the questions below that I'd like you to answer. Since we haven't learned about citations yet, I would like you to hyperlink to the sources that you choose. If you aren't sure how to hyperlink, let me show you really quick how that's done. If you decide to submit your assignment in Canvas, all you need to do is highlight the word that you would like to hyperlink to and find this little chain button. Either the chain icon or the globe icon are sort of the universal icons for hyperlinking. So you would click on that and you would paste in your link, or you could type it in my case, google.com. And now that word Google is hyperlinked. The point of a hyperlink is that it goes on top of words. If you're trying to hyperlink in a Word document, again, you just highlight the word that you want to hyperlink, right click, and hyperlink is an option. And then again, you would paste in your link or type it in. So I'd like you to hyperlink to both the Wikipedia article that you cite and whatever reference source you pull from ZSR Library. If you're unsure what this should all look like, I've also included an example assignment for you to look at to give you an idea what this looks like when it's completed. Finally, I've provided you with the point breakdown. So you'll earn points for having a research question that's clear and specific, open-ended, not easily answerable, and doesn't pick a side. For ensuring that your introductory paragraph answers the questions outlined above, for providing 2 outside sources for your background information, the ZSR Library reference source and a Wikipedia article, and for hyperlinking correctly for a total of 4 points. If you have any questions about the research question assignment, feel free to email me and I'm happy to answer those. If you aren't sure about your research question before you submit it, you can also send that to me and I'll give you my feedback in advance.